Hey guys, my name is Satyajit Patnaik and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Couple of days back, somebody had commented on one of the videos that, sir, can you make a clear path or some kind of, can you give us some idea on how to get started on my channel? So that's where I thought that, okay, it's time that we'll make some video so that people can be beneficial from my channel. So yeah, this video is going to be on that. I hope you will enjoy it. So as all of you know that I have been very active on YouTube from the past 1 year. In 1 year, almost 120 videos has been uploaded. I'm trying to serve the community, trying to give a lot of free materials to the people as much as possible. So in case you are new to the channel, in case you are a bit worried about how to get started, many of the people have also asked me, sir, part 1 yahan pe hai, where is the part 2, where is the part 3? Little bit confusions are there. So I'll talk about a lot of things in this video. So let's get started. Now on my channel, of course, my channel is more focused on data science, AI, machine learning, statistics related topics. But unfortunately, I don't have any machine learning related uh, videos on my channel at the moment. But I'm planning to have machine learning NLP videos as well on my channel, which will be published in couple of months. Probably work is going on, but the data analytics part, in case your focus is on the data analytics part, I can assure you that I have enough materials for you to get started, and you can also get a job. Many of the people who have gone through my videos, I have received a lot of messages on LinkedIn that people have got jobs just by going through my playlists as well. So I'll talk about some of my playlists which I have. So the first thing is going to be Python. Okay, any data analytics project, any business analytics project, it all starts with Python as a programming language. So of course Python is not mandatory, but in case you want to learn Python, I have end-to-end Python in my channel. 17 videos, almost 5 to 6 hours or 8 hours. If you combine the total number of minutes, 10, 30, 40, 60, somewhere around 4 to 5 hours of lectures, 16 classes. It has everything which you need to get started in Python. Apart from that, I also have end-to-end SQL for data science. Now, of course, the name is quite deceiving because I have just kept the name so that I get more hits on my channel on these videos. But honestly speaking, there is no such concept like SQL for data science. So it's just normal SQL. I have explained anybody who has zero experience on SQLs, they can start with the SQL, both the parts, and 100% guarantee you will have an intermediate level of understanding on SQL. In case after SQL you want to learn more about what should be the interview questions could be asked in SQL or in the data analytics part, now that is a bit confusing. I have it in the business analytics playlist. Okay, some of the interview questions are already here. Let me talk about the interview part later on. Let's talk about what we have more. Okay, I'm skipping the ML model part and coming on to the data analysis part. I do have end-to-end Power BI tutorials as well. I'm just closing the Python one. So end-to-end Python tutorials are there. What is Power BI? Power BI data analysis part 1, part 2. So you can just watch these 3 videos, first 2 and 3. That's it, more than enough. In case you want to learn some features about Power BI, some anomaly detection features, some time series features, you can go through these videos, but these are not mandatory. Okay, now what's next? EDA. EDA is also a very integral part of the data analysis domain, right? So I have live webinar or exploratory data analysis. Just go through this video. I can assure you 100% you will have a good understanding on EDA. Okay, I'm just closing it down because of the ads. So EDA I have, and then with respect to data analysis and business analysis, I have just created a business analytics playlist which has some of the videos related to introduction to business analyst, BA versus DA, and there are 2 interview Q&A videos as well, and some of the other videos are coming soon. But one good thing to look at this particular playlist is that projects, Power BI projects are present here. Hate crime in USA, 2 hours of session, one end-to-end project is there. Another project on churn analysis, 25, 40, 65, 85 minutes of videos divided into 3 parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. You can go through this, you will understand. Today itself, I'm releasing this video, and apart from that, I'm also releasing one more COVID-19 use case. That's also an end-to-end project in Power BI. It will also be seen here. So anything and everything which is required for data analytics, Python, SQL, EDA, the projects, Power BI, everything is there here. I mean, at least 60% of the things are already there. Machine learning and statistics is something which I don't have at the moment, but yeah, I do have machine learning deployment classes. If you look at this playlist, you will have more understanding on the deployments on multiple multiple cloud services on Azure, GCP, and yeah, these are basically for the classical machine learning models. But I think if you just implement these things, that should be more than enough for you to clear the interviews. Okay, and what else? And then some random stuffs I have, some Python projects I have, like Alexa. I have created one Alexa like application, Rubik's Cube application, how to download YouTube videos for free using Python, audio analysis using Python, some of the small projects, foreign exchange forecasting. These things you can just use it, and you can apply it, and you can use it in your resumes as well. Apart from that, the beauty of my channel is going to be live webinars. Not sure if any other YouTuber is doing that. I'm doing an end-to-end, live webinars on a lot of topics. You just look at my live webinars. There will be topics on cricket analytics. There will be topics on blockchain, cryptocurrency, tips for freshers, data science enthusiasts, resume project tips, EDA, create chatbot from scratch using Rasa, deployment, live deployment sessions, deep learning sessions where Usha, one of the Kaggle Grandmaster, had come to my channel. Lot of topics, building dashboards. So once you are connected with my channel, once you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, you will be notified about all the sessions. Mostly the sessions are conducted on Sundays at 7 p.m. IST. In worst cases, sometimes our speakers are not available and all these things. Sometimes issue might happen, but 95% chances, 95% confidence, p-value 0.005. So 95% chances are that we usually conduct our webinars on Sunday. Okay, so that's it for this particular walkthrough video to understand more about my channel. Trust me guys, just be connected with me, try to subscribe as much as possible, share it among your friends, and I will come up with machine learning and NLP stuffs as well. Project stuff, I'm anyways, without even telling, I'm already creating projects. So more and more projects will be deployed on my channel. And yeah, machine learning end-to-end thing is also coming soon. So everything will be free on my channel. You don't have to go for any kind of courses, anything. Just my channel, you can explore and understand. Yeah, of course, sometimes you might need guidance, one-to-one guidance, which is not possible for me to provide one-to-one guidance to you all. Many people ping me on LinkedIn and all those things. So for them, probably yeah, taking course would be a feasible option. But yeah, in case you are good with your self-debugging skills, you can just go through YouTube videos and learn. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you understood. I hope you got a brief idea about my channel. What can you look out for my channel? So yeah, I mean, if you just get confused, go to the playlist. You will find a clear picture about my channel. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for supporting, and keep sharing the love, keep showing the love and support. Thank you. Bye bye.